We are near the village of Martin, standing close to the bridge, or Ponte das Penas. This is the starting point for an impressive walking trail along the watermills of the Folon and Picon valleys. These watermills are culturally significant and have been officially protected since 1998. There are 67 mills altogether, dating from the 17th to the 19th centuries. These mills were used to grind corn, wheat, and rye. However, in a few unusual cases, they were also used to grind sulfur. The mills were still in use up until the middle of the 20th century. Out of the total of 67 mills, 36 are in the Folon Valley and 31 in the Picon Valley. In our current location, there's a car park and a fantastic picnic area. The Tourist Information Office is inside a restored watermill. The walking trail is circular, so if we stand on the bridge or Ponte das Penas, looking upstream at the water coming down the Folon River, we can go either way. To the left, we head towards the As Laches mills and then the Folon mills. To the right, we walk alongside the picnic area towards the Picon mills. Both routes meet up in the high area called Au Nivelle.